Hi, my name is Ashley Stewart and this is my resource management project. So for my SMART goal, I did each week exercise for at least 30 minutes, 3 days a week. Also, eat at least 2 healthy meals per day, no greasy food or sugary food. So why I chose this is because a year ago I became a mother, and ever since then I just haven't been prioritizing exercising and eating right. I think it's mostly just because I don't feel like I have a lot of time to myself, and also I prioritize getting my son food, but not really myself, which I know is not right, and so that's why I chose this. And another thing is just laziness. I can't say that before I became a mom I was perfect at this, because I definitely wasn't, and I know that if I worked harder I could do better. So for the interview, I chose to interview my aunt. I didn't know she'd want me to post a picture of her on here, so I just chose that. But I chose her because ever since I've known her, which is forever, she exercises very regularly and eats very healthy. When I talked to her, she told me that she has exercised every day, basically since middle school, which is awesome. So that's why I wanted to interview her. And then also, she makes such yummy food. Like, she's one of the best cooks I know, but her food is healthy, which is so cool. So when I talked to her, the advice she gave me, or what she told me, was exercising helps her mental health. And I thought that that was really good, something that I could benefit from, which I'm sure a lot of people can. And then another thing she told me was to plan ahead, because she said it's kind of hard when you're a mom or if you're super busy to exercise or to eat right if you're not planning that ahead. And then another thing she said as far as like exercising is to start slow. Each step will take a while. So run 1 minute on, 3 minutes off, and then work up from there. And that just made me feel much better because I realized that I don't have to be perfect right away. I can work up to it, and that really helped me. And then as far as food, she said add foods instead of take. Add fresh fruit or vegetables, and then slowly decrease foods the body doesn't need and increase what it does. I liked that a lot. And then another thing she told me was, know you will feel so much better in all aspects of life. So for her, she says she feels tired a lot and doesn't feel like she wants to exercise, but she knows that if she does, she'll be a better mother, a better wife, just feel better, not feel so tired, and so it's worth it. And I think if I could keep that in mind, it would really help. So for what I did, I exercised 3 times a week, and usually I would just go on walks with my baby and my husband, or we've been going on hikes. And if I didn't do that, I would do like a workout video, so like yoga or a HIIT video. And those were pretty easy because I would just do it like while my baby was napping or after he went to bed for the night. And then the next thing I did was plan it out ahead of time, especially with my meals. If I didn't, I would just end up eating bad. But if I did plan it out, I would be able to just have those meals on hand and already know what I was going to eat, so that helped. And then I did add in healthier food and take away sugar or grease. So I tried to eat more vegetables and fruit and like healthy grains, and then not buy as much sugary snacks or go out to eat and eat greasy food. And the last thing is I just have this quote that says, surround yourself with people who are only going to lift you higher. And I thought that that was a perfect quote for this project, because it's just so important to surround yourself with people who you want to be like. And I think that's definitely true for this project, and you can see that it's just so good to have examples in your life and also to be an example for other people. And I'm so grateful for all the examples in my life, and people who help me strive to be better and help encourage me to do that.